Assalamu alaikum. Welcome all to Easy Humanitarian channel. In this video I discuss male mediated teratogenesis. Animal study in the 1980s and 1990s suggests that genetic damage after radiation and chemical exposure might be transmitted from father to offspring. What is male mediated teratogenesis? The male mediated exposure that increases the rate of mutation during spermatogenesis may well contribute to teratogenesis. Male mediated exposure could produce other abnormality in maturing spermatozoa or seminal fluid. Pre-fertilization and peri-fertilization exposure to father influence a variety of reproductive outcome including fertilization, miscarriage, low birth weight, congenital malformation, anomaly, cancer, the neurodevelopmental and other childhood health problem. Risky parental occupation: artist, hairdresser, landscaper, and groundskeeper. Men transmit a higher number of mutations to their children than women. Exposure to ethyl nitrous urea and ionizing radiation. Expanded simple tandem repeated mini satellite mutation was found in the germline of father who was exposed to radiation from the Chernobyl nuclear power plant disaster. The hazard associated with exposure to ionizing radiation have been recognized for nearly a century, but interest was aroused when a cluster of leukemia cases was identified in young children living in Seascale, close to the nuclear processing plant at Sellafield in West Cumbria. A study was done in 1967. The presence of thalidomide in semen was associated with evidence 165 of developmental toxicity including fetal malformation in the progeny of treated male rabbit in 166 and increased pre-implantation loss after mating. The parental, occupational, and environmental exposure to mercury, lead, solvent, alcohol, cigarette smoking, cocaine, and marijuana, parental exposure to acrylamide, important industrial chemicals. Vinclozolin is a pesticide with anti-androgenic activity. This exposure to this chemical causes spontaneous abortion, low birth weight, and birth defect. Recent reports using molecular approaches have demonstrated that DNA damage can be transmitted to baby from smoking father. Fathers who smoke around their pregnant partner increase their unborn baby's risk of asthma. Many parents defer quitting until the baby is born, but this study stresses the parental exposure to tobacco creates change to the unborn child immune system. Fathers to be who smoke can increase risk of congenital heart defect in babies. All type of parental smoking was associated with the risk of congenital heart disease with an increase of 74% for male smoking and 124% for the passive smoking in women and 25% for women smoking compared to no smoking exposure. Age of the father is a dominant factor in determining how many de novo mutations appear in children. Advanced paternal age. The older male are when they produce children, the more mutation occur in their offspring. Increased risk for some structural blood defect like limb defect, neural tube defect, Down syndrome, new chromosomal dominant mutations, and behavioral abnormalities. Men younger than 20, risk of fathering child with a birth defect. Transmission of parenteral mediated toxicity is possible through seminal fluid and from household contamination from chemical brought home on work clothes by the father. Parental obesity is associated with the IGF-2 hypomethylation in newborn. Prevent male-mediated teratogenesis. Plan ahead. Don't use chemicals that may harmful for your future children. These include pesticide, fungicides, rodenticides, or harsh cleaning product. Don't smoke or consume alcohol when you are planning for baby. Choose a healthy lifestyle. Be physically active, eat healthy, and control diabetes. Keep away contaminated clothes of father away from the pregnant mother. Try to avoid exposure or take proper precautions whose occupations are risky. So this is all about male mediated teratogenesis. If you like this video, please press the like button, and if you find it useful, please share this video.